In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off auto ads on your WordPress website for specific pages using Google Adsense. If you've ever wanted more control over where ads appear on your site, maybe you want to remove them from your About page, contact form, or a landing page, this tutorial will walk you through exactly how to do it step by step. It's quick, easy, and perfect for keeping your website clean and professional while still monetizing the right pages. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the Google AdSense website. You can simply type Google AdSense into your search bar or visit adsense.google.com directly. Once you're there, click the Sign In button at the top right corner and log in with the Google account connected to your website. After signing in, you'll land on your AdSense dashboard. From the left-hand side menu, click on Sites. This is where you'll see all the websites you've added under your AdSense account. Now, find the website where you want to turn off auto ads on specific pages. Click on the site name and it will take you to the site settings page. Next, look for the auto ads section. This is where Google automatically controls the placement of ads across your pages. By default, auto ads are turned on for all pages on your site, but here's where you can take control. Click on the edit or settings icon next to your website's name. You'll see an option that says page exclusions or something similar, depending on the current AdSense layout. Click on that. This section allows you to add specific pages or URLs where you don't want ads to appear. For example, if you want to turn off ads on your About Us page, just copy that page's URL from your WordPress site and paste it into the exclusion list. Once you've added the URLs for the pages you want to exclude, click Add Exclusion or Save. Google AdSense will now stop showing auto ads on those specific pages. One important thing to note, these changes might not reflect instantly. It can take a few hours or sometimes up to a day for the update to take effect on your live website. So be patient and give it some time. After saving your changes, you can head back to your WordPress site, refresh the excluded page, and you'll see that the ads are no longer showing there. And that's it. You've successfully turned off auto ads on specific pages of your WordPress website through Google AdSense. This simple tweak gives you much more control over your website's appearance and user experience. It's especially useful if you have pages that are purely informational, promotional, or where ads might distract from your content. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a like and subscribe for more WordPress and AdSense tips. And if you have any questions or run into any issues, drop a comment below. I'll be happy to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.